guys, it's Alicia K. Thank you guys for coming back to another video. So today's video is going to be how I maintain and my night routine for my passion twist. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to do it in 4 sections. So this front part, the next front part, back. So I go ahead and I go in with the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream by Head & Shoulders. This helps with dandruff treatment and it also has zinc in it, so hair growth. I just dropped it. That's good. And I just go ahead and pop that onto my scalp. Stimulating hair oil, promotes strong, shiny, healthy hair botanical oil, vitamin and herb formula, helps eliminate dry scalps, tames the frizz, and helps reduce breakage, allowing hair to grow longer. And it's in this bottle. I know there are a couple of different ones, but I like using this one because, again, we're trying to control the itch. And I just go down the length of the braid all the way to the ends, but focusing on where my hair starts and ends. And then I'm just gonna go in with this pink sheen spray and away from my face so I don't get oil all over my face after I just washed it. And then I just like to go ahead and twist it up so that I know I've already done this section. I'm gonna go ahead and do this other front section since I already started in the front. sleep with a scarf and a bonnet because I want to protect my edges from rubbing up against the bonnet, and also to help lay everything down. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this and you like the content, make sure you hit that like button. Please make sure to subscribe and turn on my bell notifications. It's going to help me so much. I'm really trying to grow this family into something big and joyous and wonderful. So I'd love for you to be a part of it. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.